everyone. I'm super excited and I hope I'm not late, but you guys see the title, so it is Fabfitfun time for spring. So yeah, you guys, here it is right here. And the first thing I want to say is this box is gorgeous. Look how pretty this box is. I think this, let's see, I have a collection of boxes here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of all the ones I'm looking at right now, this right here is the cutest. Like, this box is seriously cute. I just love the colors. The colors are really popping. But that's not what you guys are here for. I'm sure you guys are like, we don't care what your box looks like. We want to know what's in it. So we're going to go ahead and hop into this. For you guys who don't know, Fabfitfun is a subscription service. It's a seasonal subscription service. And you'll receive one of these lovely, lovely boxes 4 times a year. And I'll have all the information about it posted down below. So make sure you guys are checking out the description box, because I have all this information about the products, where you can get them, and all that good stuff down there. So check it out. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this box. All right, you guys. So I did do some customizing and I picked out a couple of the items that's in here, so I can't really act too surprised. I know normally I would go through this book right here and like search and find the prices, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to let the prices pop up on the screen. That way we can save time and you guys don't have to listen to me talk forever and ever, because I can do it. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is like their little magazine. It's really cool and there's a lot of information in there. In addition to just having other fitness, fashion, lifestyle things in here, you also have all of the products that this box can contain and their prices. So I'll be checking this out later, but for you guys, like I said, I'll just let the prices pop up on the screen. There's usually some sponsored items, I think, in here. So this right here is from Bite. So I guess there's a code to save some money on a impression kit or a liner that's for like the to straighten your teeth, like to fix your smile. And then as always, I find one of these in here. If anybody wants it, I'm gonna cover up the code. If anybody wants it, just let me know and I'll give you guys the code to use, because I've already used that. Let's jump right into the box. So right off top, I did pick an item that I already have right here. So right here we have the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is the highlight and contour palette. It's like a cream highlight and contour palette. I'm going to be giving this one away because I already have it right here. And as you can see, mine has been through some things. But that's what it looks like in there. I don't use it a lot, but it smells amazing. You guys, I love the way it smells. So yeah, I'm going to be giving this one away in a giveaway. So if you are a subscriber of mine or you are a follower on any of my social medias, be looking out for that. The next item that we have in here is from Way. I think that's how you say it. Way. And this is their from China Herbal Beauty. It's a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask collection. So I did open this, and the tape is kind of stuck back on there again. That kind of defeats the purpose of making this video easier to get through. All right, so I'm not going to make the same mistake again because I accidentally opened it before and all this fell out. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I'm going to get this closer for you guys. So this is the Purifying Mud Mask, and it looks like that. And then to go along with your mud mask, I think you do the exfoliator first, but you have your Ready Glow Exfoliating Mask. And you have 4 of each one of those. And what I really like about it is it comes with this really nice brush right here. So you don't have to worry about getting your hands all nasty and stuff. And then there's just more information on the back. As you guys can see, it's a ton of information and we are not getting ready to read through that. So the next thing we have in here is from This Works. Right here, get it close so you guys can see it. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So it's a lotion, and I'm assuming you put this, yeah, at night. It says use it after your bath, before bedtime to nourish your skin. Let's go ahead and smell it. I know it's not nighttime right here, but I don't plan on giving this away, so I'm going to open it. I thought this was gonna have a more soothing scent to it, almost like a lavender-y type scent. This is not quite the scent that I thought it was gonna be, but all right. We'll just have to go ahead and try this and see if my skin likes it. So again, you guys, that was the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. The next product I have in here is from Purlisse. That is a cute package, y'all. That's a cute package, right? The Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Ooh. I like stuff like that. Ooh, look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can't say that's not cute. Yeah. All right. So it's a 2-minute peel. Of course, it's sealed. But you can kind of still smell it, and it smells really good. Really good. All right. Great for everyday use. Oh, and you can use this one every day. So usually the peels that I've seen, they don't recommend using them every day. They say maybe like once or twice a week. But this one said you can use it every day. So maybe I will. The next thing we have in here. Ooh, it's a hair care product. I'll have to see. Because I'm really doing Ayurveda right now with my hair. So my products are more herbal and natural. So this is AG Hair Care Fast Food. And this is a leave-on conditioner for moisture. And that's pretty much all it says. Fast food feeds, smooth, and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. Apply a quarter size amount on clean, damp hair. Focus on the ends. Comb through. Do not rinse. Okay, you know what? Actually, I can probably use this as part of my nighttime routine. Sealing moisture. And we'll see how that works out. Can I smell it? I don't know why I think I can just open everything and smell it. Oh, I can actually smell it. If that's what I'm smelling. And I got it on my nose. It smells kind of good. It almost smells like bubble gum. Did anybody else get this and think this smells like bubble gum? Either way, I've decided I'm going to keep it. I'll follow up on like Instagram or something and let you guys know how that worked out. The next thing we have in here. Oh, I thought this was a glass bottle. It's a plastic bottle. But this is from Jabonería, Marianella. Rosewood and Litzy Q body oil with mango and pomegranate oil. So it's a body oil, and yes, I'm getting ready to open it because I want to smell it. Okay. Ooh. I don't know. Did I smell that right? Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna. Oh, it's not like a spritzy spritz. It's like a. You gotta rub it. Okay. Oh, there's some oil. Did some oil spill out of here? You guys, I'm having a hard time. Okay. I'm gonna rub it on my arm. Okay, so it goes on nice. It don't go on like a dry oil. It goes on, it feels very moisturizing, very nourishing. Okay, there you go. Now the scent is better. I don't know what I was smelling. I think I was smelling, I don't know, some other stuff mixed with that. And I was like, it's kind of throwing me off. But yeah, that actually is really nice. You can feel the difference. So yeah. All right. I was skeptical at first, but I really like it now. All right, you guys, I promise I'm going to stop talking soon. I have 2 items left. All right, the next thing I have in here, I'm super excited about. I don't know if you guys see a lot in my videos or if I'm just drinking them off to the side, but I tend to use stainless steel straws. We no longer really use plastic straws unless we're out and about, and that's our only option. So I'm so glad to have this right here. This is from Chic and Tonic, and it's a set of silicone straws. So you get 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case. And this is called the Full Bloom Collection. So yes, I'm going to open this right now because stuff like this makes me excited. More excited than like some of this other stuff. All right, so here's our little holder. That's cute. It's made of plastic. And then we have our straws right here. We have them, and they're all the same size. So what you can do with these, I'm just going to take one for now. Boom. So now when you're out and about, you can just have like your own personal, you could probably fit even 2 in there, straw with you. So now when I'm going out to like fast food places, I don't have to use the plastic straw. I can use my own. So that's really cool. I really do actually like that. That's nice. And there's a brush cleaner. I have a million of these around here because we have a million stainless steel straws. So you guys, again, that is the Chic and Tonic silicone straw set. That was very exciting. Now this right here is another item that I picked out, and I'm going to put this huge box down to show it to you guys. And this is from DONNI. Is that how you say it? DONNI. And now, to be honest, I'm like, am I the only person who picked this item? Because I've seen a couple other people's video, and it seemed like nobody picked this item. But I'm really into stuff like this, so yeah. Okay, so this is from DONNI, and it's like a relaxing like sweater. Wait, look at that. That looks good, and it looks so comfortable. And I know it's really hard to see it on here because it's so big, but it looks like it has like baseball length shoulders or 3/4 length sleeves on it. It's nice. It's light. You can kind of see through it. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I can see you. Like that. Do we have pockets? And we have pockets. So yeah, I'm gonna actually put this on now after this video, of course. So you guys, that was everything that was in my Fabfitfun for spring of 2020. I really enjoyed everything that was in there. Like, all the products was right up my alley for the most part. I'm still a little on the fence about this one, but I've opened it already, so guess what? I'm going to use it. Oh, my ring. So yeah, you guys, if you guys have any questions about the products that was in here, make sure you guys are checking down below. I'm going to have all that information for you guys to go check them out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.